Okay, hi guys, it's Doreen, welcome back. So I just quickly wanted to make a video because I'm gonna be selling my car. So I cleaned it like a few days ago, but unfortunately it rained yesterday, so it got a little bit dirty again, but it's okay. I'm just gonna empty it out, take off the plates, and I have everything I need. I have the key, the spare key, the title for it, everything else, and also even like the little booklet. I take very good care of my car. I kind of detailed it like a few days ago, which I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. I tried to film as much as I can, but it was a little bit hard to film it, so yeah, I'll just show you guys. But let's say goodbye to my car.
I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Ooh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. 'Cause every time we leave, I'm longing back to the place where.
Alright, so that's the dash cam.
The rest, oh. So that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best, oh. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. I never needed love until I saw and I met your eyes. That's why I'm moving close to be here and together. get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Oh, let me know now, now, now. Oh, to be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin.
Okay, we're using the protector and a brush. Let's just see if we can get this thing out, this little stain with soapy water. We're going to get most of it out. Alright, so I just finished cleaning the car.
I like how it's just straight to the point.
Yeah,
you know, like,
exactly.
You want to sell it? Let's give you your money for it. It's a really clean car.
It's really, you know, win-win for everybody.
Right, exactly. Okay.
All right, awesome. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Look, there he goes.
Bye, Mimi.
Bye, Minnie. Bye, Nemo. So cute.